Today we're exploring a fun artistic project, a mood board collage. Begin by gathering multiple images that share a theme, colors, vibes, or concepts. Arrange them on the canvas with varying sizes to create rhythm. Add torn paper effects, taped corners, or hand-drawn doodles for personality. Don't align everything perfectly. Controlled randomness creates charm. Adjust global tones with a warm filter to unify the whole board. Add shadows under individual pieces for dimension. End with text labels or subtle stickers to complete the vibe. This style is fantastic for fashion, branding, journaling, or aesthetic social posts. Let's craft your collage.